This is the Stasher reusable silicone storage bag. And let's open the package. So this size is super comfortable when you put this in your hand. It is 100% silicone. And here they make it super heavy duty. And this is waterproof. You need to push it really tight. And you can put the fruit in there, or some snacks in there, or some nuts, or you can just put something in there and start cooking because it's all sealed. And you don't need to worry about if you throw it into the microwave, it's gonna be explode. No, it's actually it's not super tight, you see. If you kind of like press it, it's gonna to release the air, so you don't need to worry about it. Also, you can put your small stuff inside, for example, makeups or other small things you always lose, like chargers. So I think this is a very useful bag, and the back is matte, the front is clear, and super good quality and very nice looking. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.